Hi there, my name is Moni Felix. Welcome to MFX Autograph, a world where fashion meets confidence and creativity. I started MFX Autograph from a deep passion for style, not just creating clothes, but helping people discover their true expression through fashion. Fashion is more than fabric and stitches. It's not just about what you put on your body, but how those clothes makes you feel. Bold, beautiful, confident, or creative. Welcome to my channel where we dive into styles, tips, and fashion ideas that helps you express your true self effortlessly. Here on this channel, I'll share design inspiration, tutorials, and the behind the scene that shapes the MFX Autographs world. Subscribe, share, like, and let's explore your true style together. This is MFX Autograph, where fashion speaks your confidence.